Start engineering excellence and ISO driven transformation in transformer manufacturing. In the modern power industry, transformers are no longer just electrical components. They are critical assets that define grid reliability, energy efficiency, and operational stability. With increasing penetration of renewables, grid fluctuations, and higher loading demands, transformer performance expectations have significantly evolved. At the same time, global markets demand strict adherence to standards such as IEC, IEEE, IES, and integrated ISO management systems. So today, excellence is no longer optional. It is engineered, verified, and continuously improved. At URGS International Engineering Services Private Limited, we work at the intersection of engineering depth plus process discipline plus standards compliance. We help transformer manufacturers transition from conventional practices to data driven, standard aligned, and performance focused operations. Now, engineering design excellence. Transformer engineering is fundamentally about managing electromagnetic, thermal, dielectric, and mechanical stresses simultaneously. A gap in any one of these domains can lead to increased losses, insulation failure, reduced life expectancy. Now, key engineering focus areas. First, electromagnetic design optimization. Here, core material selection and flux density optimization, reduction of hysteresis and eddy current losses, leakage flux control to minimize stray losses. Second, thermal design engineering, accurate hotspot temperature prediction, oil flow optimization and cooling design, ONAN, ONF, OF, AF, etc. Thermal aging considerations for insulation life. Then third is dielectric design integrity, insulation coordination, impulse withstand capability, electric field stress control in critical regions. Then fourth, mechanical strength and short circuit withstand, axial and radial force calculations, winding clamping structure optimization, short circuit testing readiness. Now our engineering approach. We ensure designs aligned with IEC oblique IEEE requirements. Manufacturability without compromising performance. Cost performance balance through material optimization. Digital validation and iterative improvement. Because engineering excellence is the foundation of reliability. Now section 2, manufacturing engineering and process control. A design is only as good as its execution on the shop floor. We bring engineering thinking into manufacturing processes. Critical process areas: code stacking accuracy and step lab integrity, winding tension control and conductor handling, insulation drying and moisture control, vacuum processing and oil impregnation, tank fabrication and sealing integrity. The next, process engineering enhancements. We implement process standardizations, SOPs and work instructions, statistical process control SPC, root cause analysis RCA using engineering tools, lean manufacturing principles. Now, what are the measurable outcomes? Reduced process variation, lower rejection and rework, improved consistency in test results, higher throughput with controlled quality. Now, advanced testing and failure engineering. Testing is where engineering meets reality. We strengthen testing systems by focusing on accuracy and compliance, loss measurement precision and calibration, temperature rise test interpretation, impulse waveform analysis, then failure analysis engineering. So here, winding deformation analysis, insulation failure diagnostics, partial discharge interpretation. Now standards alignment, ensuring full compliance with routine tests, type tests, special tests as per ICE oblique IEEE standards. Because every test result is not just a value, it is a validation of engineering integrity. Now ISO standards implementation. Now let us move to one of the most critical pillars, ISO based management systems. Many organizations pursue ISO certification but struggle with true implementation and integration. We focus on transforming ISO from documentation exercise into operational excellence framework. ISO 9001 quality management system. We establish process mapping aligned with transformer life cycle, risk-based thinking in design and manufacturing, quality objectives linked to measurable KPIs, internal audit systems with technical depth. Now, what are the outcomes? Consistent product quality, traceability and accountability, continuous improvement culture. Then, environmental management system, ISO 14001. Transformer manufacturing involves oil handling, insulation materials, energy intensive processes. We help implement environmental aspect impact analysis, waste reduction strategies, energy efficiency tracking, sustainable manufacturing practices. Now, outcomes of this are reduced environmental footprint, regulatory compliance, improved corporate responsibility. ISO 45001 occupational health and safety. So here this is for workers, occupational health and safety of workers. So manufacturing environments involve heavy equipment, high voltage testing, thermal and mechanical risks. We establish hazard identification and risk assessment HERA, safe operating procedures, incident investigation systems, safety culture development. Outcome, safer workplace, reduced downtime due to incidents, improved workforce confidence, integrated management systems. Instead of managing ISO standards in silos, we integrate quality plus environment plus safety into a unified system that reduces duplication, improves efficiency, aligns with business objectives. Now, Section 5 is specialized technical training. Technology and systems are only as effective as the people using them. That is why we emphasize high impact engineering driven training programs. Training focus areas. First, transformer design engineering, hands-on calculation methods, loss optimization techniques, standards interpretation. Then second, manufacturing best practices, process control techniques, defect prevention methods, shop floor problem solving. Then third, testing and diagnostics, practical understanding of test procedures, interpretation of abnormal results, failure case studies. Fourth, ISO implementation training, clause by clause practical understanding, internal auditor training, real world implementation strategies. Training methodology. We focus on practical case studies, real industry problems, interactive technical sessions, on-site and virtual models. Outcome, stronger engineering teams, faster problem solving capability, reduced dependency on external support. At last conclusion, in today's competitive landscape, success in transformer manufacturing require a holistic approach, strong engineering foundation, control and optimized processes, reliable testing systems, effective ISO implementation, skilled and trained workforce. At URGS International Engineering Services Private Limited, we bring all these elements together to create measurable, sustainable improvements. If your organization is aiming to improve efficiency and reduce losses, achieve global compliance faster, strengthen engineering capabilities, build a culture of excellence, we are here to support you. Our email ID is info@urgseng.com. Our mobile number is +917359458455. This is our WhatsApp number also. Let us not just manufacture transformers, let us engineer performance, reliability and global excellence. Please like and subscribe our channel. Thank you.